Howdy legends, Bailey from Outback Equipment. Today we're going to be reviewing the range of Boab diesel tanks and doing a bit of an install video. So we're about to jump into that now. Starting with the Footwell Tank, this one's perfect for the back of your wagon. So this can go just underneath the back seats, sitting in the footwell there. Some of the key features with this one, you got your filler cap on the side here. It's also got a raised section in the center here, guys, just for optimal volume in your diesel tank. And then across at the end here, you've got a section that allows for mounting if you do require that as well. Some of the general specs we've got on these tanks that go across the whole of the Boab range is the bright yellow color is what you'll notice straight off. So although they are pretty similar to our range of water tanks, they can be distinguished by the bright yellow color indicating it's got diesel and not water, which is pretty important, I think. If I flip the guy around to the end, you'll notice the 1/2 inch brass fitting. So that's just for your inlets and outlets, as well as on the top here, you have your breather inlet as well. The range of Boab tanks are also made out of a heavy duty PVC. So this ensures that they're lightweight, but also super strong for that harsh Australian outback. So we've had a look at the Footwell tank. Let's take a look at the rest of the range. Next up, we have one of the two options for your headboard storage. So this one can either go in between your cab and tray, or it can go inside your tub as well. So super versatile. This one that we have here is a 42 litre option. We also have a range going from 40 litre all the way up to 58 litres as well, so super versatile. You'll also notice with this particular tank, it has got the holes all the way through, so that's just to create structural integrity across the larger surface area. You'll notice there's also recesses here that just allows for you to strap this down any which way you like, whether that be metal straps or ratchet straps as well. This tank as well has all the previously mentioned fittings along with your filler cap. Now we're all done with this, we'll jump onto another tank and do the install video. For the next one, we've got one of our more versatile tanks for the install video. So you'll notice this one's simply a box. It can be mounted under a tray or simply in the back of your canopy or wherever you may fit it. This is also our largest tank in the range, coming in at 58 litres. It also has the option of stacking another tank on top. So you notice the nubs on this tank. It also has the indents on the bottom, so it's not going to move around when you do stack them. This is also great because you don't just need to use this for your vehicle, you can also use it for your diesel heaters and generators. Perfect coming into winter, you may need a bit of extra fuel capacity. So guys, we're about to walk you through a general install of your vent and filler kit. So let's just step through a few of the things that we have today. You've got your filler neck here along with your filler cap. Next off, you have your hose fittings. So you've got the sizes required for both the filler cap and your vent kit. You've got your 1/4 inch vent hose as well, the required barb fittings, and your breather as well. With your breather, guys, it's designed to keep the dust out of your tank, which you definitely don't want in your diesel. It's also designed to allow the tank to vent when it's pressurizing and depressurizing when you're filling. So all you're gonna need today for this one is your shifter, Phillips head screwdriver, and your bladed screwdriver. Alright guys, we'll show you how it's done, starting off with the filler. Sliding on your connection here, then adding your hose clamp to fit. Nice and tight, that's not going anywhere. After we've done that one, guys, we're just gonna chuck the filler cap in as well. Perfect. So you're gonna grab your bladed screwdriver and simply tighten those ones up. Just making sure the fittings are nice and tight there, guys. You don't want this one leaking once you fill it up with diesel. Now that the filler cap's on, we'll throw on the breather and we'll wrap it up. The reason they provide so many fittings, in this case the 1/2 inch brass fittings on this tank, is so you have the option to go to a pump or a siphon, or in this case, fitting up a different breather. So with this one, you'll just have to step down a size. But just for the purpose of showing you, we're gonna jump onto another tank and show you how to fit up this breather kit. Super simple, guys. You're gonna grab your male barb, thread it in, and we're just tightening it off with the spanner there. Then you're gonna grab your 1/4 inch hose and push that onto your barb fitting, and finally securing it off with your hose clamp. Jumping to the other end of our breather, we've got our filter and the female fitting with the barb on it there. So we're just gonna screw those two together. Once again, tighten it off with a spanner, but not too tight. It's only a plastic fitting anyway. Alright, so Boab also recommends when you're installing this to use the supplied thread sealant, guys, just so you don't have any leaks or issues with that one. So now we're just going to throw the breather on, making sure that you have the hose clamp on there first. Alright, so once you have those two thread together, guys, we're just going to install it into the hose and tighten up the hose clamp as well. Alright guys, that wraps up our install. You can pick up any of the tanks you've seen today and the accessories at outbackequipment.com.au. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope it filled you with joy. Oh, is it already rolling? Or? Yeah. Oh God, cool. Alright, starting off with the Footwell tank, we're going to run through a few of the features. God! Okay, I'm going to start. So I'll run you through. Why can't I say that? Dude!
Starting with the Footwell tank.
You got your filler cap on the side here, a raised section in the middle for across the top of the footwell. just fuck. Oh God. Awesome, so next up we have the next option. I'm going to redo it because I said awesome. I said awesome. I don't feel comfortable not starting with awesome now.
Is that like 50 litres of tears?
I've been here for 3 days.
Well, let me leave. I keep saying awesome.
Okay, it's fine. Don't even worry about it. Available for your filling pleasure. Technical difficulties. Screw the filter together with your female brass filter and our female with the barb fitting on it. Said female with a barb. This is going to be like a 30-second video once Ben cuts out all the shit.
Just go
like and subscribe. If you want to see me f up in more videos, like and subscribe.